How to make best use of outdoor cultural spaces. My name is Matthew Cobham, and today we're going to focus on outdoor sculpture lighting. There's a wide range of outdoor architectural and urban spaces lighting from ERCO, and of course there is an unlimited number of ways to light a sculpture. Here are some things you should know. Of course, first of all, think about where you want to see the sculpture from. Think about the story you want to tell. And then, of course, begin to think about some of the many techniques there are to light sculptures, such as key light and fill light. And then also thinking about having the right tool. So for indoor projector lighting, there are a very wide range of different light distributions, and that's also true for our outdoor lighting ranges. In fact, there are 7 light distributions across several different form factors. Here we have a contrasting example of 2 different light distributions with an oval beam. Here you see on the right hand side, and on the left hand side you see a spot. All our beam distributions have a very tight light control with no spill light. Our outdoor projectors also have a very high level of visual comfort. So here we've got an example of the different form factors with the light scan and the Kona in the extra small sizes. With TSIS, you can have the same light effects in ground as well. So in many cultural places of contemplation situations, mounting is very often a challenge, and so we've got a wide range of mounting possibilities to deal with this. The Sight in-ground luminaire provides another form factor and is particularly appropriate for grazing light with very high levels of visual comfort. We really hope you've enjoyed this short vlog. Please leave a comment and get in touch with us. We're really looking forward to talking with you.